Yasin, O perfect man. With the name of Allah, the most gracious, the ever merciful.
Yasin.
Yasin, O perfect man, Muhammad.
وَالْقُرْآنِ الْحَكِيمِ.
I call to witness the perfect Quran, full of convincing proofs and wisdom.
إِنَّكَ لَمِنَ الْمُرْسَلِينَ.
That you are indeed one of the messengers.
عَلَى صِرَاطٍ مُسْتَقِيمٍ.
Standing on the right and straight path.
تنزيل العزيز الرحيم.
This Quran is a great revelation sent by the Almighty and the ever merciful God.
لتنذر قوما ما أنذر آباؤهم فهم غافلون.
So that you may warn the people who are ignorant because their forefathers have not been warned for a long time.
لقد حق القول على أكثرهم فهم لا يؤمنون.
Surely, most of them merit the sentence of our punishment, for they would not believe.
إنا جعلنا في أعناقهم أغلالا فهي إلى الأذقان فهم مقمحون.
Surely we have put shackles of customs and prejudices round their necks, and they are reaching right up to their chins, so that they have become stiff-necked due to their pride and false notions of superiority.
وَجَعَلْنَا مِن بَيْنِ أَيْدِيهِمْ سَدًّا وَمِنْ خَلْفِهِمْ سَدًّا فَأَغْشَيْنَاهُمْ فَهُمْ لَا يُبْصِرُونَ.
And we have placed barriers of their stubbornness, rendering them unable to look forward to the bright future of Islam and rise to eminence by accepting it, in front of them, and barriers of their prejudices behind them, thus rendering them unable to look back at the doom of those who rejected the truth in the past. Thus we have kept them behind the veil, so that they cannot see, so have become totally devoid of spiritual light.
وَسَوَاءٌ عَلَيْهِمْ أَأَنذَرْتَهُمْ أَمْ لَمْ تُنذِرْهُمْ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ.
And it is all the same to them whether you warn them or do not warn them. They will not believe, for they have deliberately shut their eyes and ears to the truth.
إنما تنذر من اتبع الذكر وخشي الرحمن بالغيب فبشره بمغفرة وأجر كريم.
You can warn only those who would follow the reminder, the Quran, and are full of reverential awe of the most gracious God in the heart of their hearts. Therefore, proclaim to them the glad tidings of protection from the evil consequences of sins and an honorable provision from us.
إنا نحن نحيي الموتى ونكتب ما قدموا وآثارهم وَكُلَّ شَيْءٍ أَحْصَيْنَاهُ فِي إِمَامٍ مُبِينٍ.
Surely it is we alone who raise the dead to life, and we shall preserve their noble deeds, which they send forward, and their prints of virtue and knowledge which they leave behind for others to emulate. Everything we have comprehensively preserved in a clear record.
واضرب لهم مثلا أصحاب القرية إذ جاءها المرسلون.
And set forth to them, for their good, a parable of a people of the town, when the messengers of God came to them.
إذ أرسلنا إليهم اثنين فكذبوهما فعززنا بثالث فقالوا إنا إليكم مرسلون.
At first we sent to them two messengers, Moses and Jesus, but they cried lies to them. Then we strengthened our apostles with a third, the Prophet Muhammad, by fulfilling in his person their prophecies about his advent. So they said, as a general message to the people, "We have been sent to you as messengers by God."
قالوا ما أنتم إلا بشر مثلنا وما أنزل الرحمن من شيء إن أنتم إلا تكذبون.
They, the contemporaries of the messengers, gave a general reply. "You are only human beings like ourselves. The most gracious God has revealed nothing to you. You are simply telling lies."
قالوا ربنا يعلم إنا إليكم لمرسلون.
They said, "Our Lord knows that we have been, of course, sent to you.
وما علينا إلا البلاغ المبين.
And our duty is only to convey the message in clear terms."
قالوا إنا تطيرنا بكم لئن لم تنتهوا لنرجمنكم وليمسنكم منا عذاب أليم.
They, the people of the town, said, "We augur ill from you, for we were seized with one calamity or the other after your advent. If you do not give it, your preaching, over, we will certainly excommunicate you, and a painful punishment shall befall you at our hands."
قالوا طائركم معكم أئن ذكرتم بل أنتم قوم مسرفون.
They said, "Your ills are of your own making. Do you say all this because you have been admonished? Nay, but the real thing is you are a pack of transgressors."
وجاء من أقصى المدينة رجل يسعى قال يا قوم اتبعوا المرسلين.
Now there came a man running from the farthest end of the town. He said, "O my people, follow the messengers.
اتبعوا من لا يسألكم أجرا وهم مهتدون."
Follow those who ask no reward from you and who are following the right path.
وما لي لا أعبد الذي فطرني وإليه ترجعون.
What reason have I not to worship him who has created me, and to whom you all shall be brought back?
أأتخذ من دونه آلهة إن يردني الرحمن بضر لا تغن عني شفاعتهم شيئا ولا ينقذون.
Shall I take apart from him others as gods, whose intercession, If the most gracious God should decide to do me some harm, will be of no avail to me, nor will they be able even to rescue me from that harm?
إني إذا لفي ضلال مبين.
Surely, in case I do anything of the kind, I should be falling into a clear error.
إني آمنت بربكم فاسمعون.
I have believed in your true Lord, therefore listen to me.
قيل ادخل الجنة قال يا ليت قومي يعلمون.
It was said to him by God, enter the paradise while you are still living. He said, oh, would that my people knew.
بما غفر لي ربي وجعلني من المكرمين.
For what reason has my Lord granted me protection from pitfalls in this life and included me among the honored servants of His?
وما أنزلنا على قومه من بعده من جند من السماء وما كنا منزلين.
We sent no contingent of force from heaven against His people to destroy them. After that He has believed, nor do we ever command any of such things.
إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم خامدون.
It was just a single blast, and behold, they were all extinct like a spark of fire extinguished.
يا حسرة على العباد ما يأتيهم من رسول إلا كانوا به يستهزئون.
Alas for my servants, not a single messenger comes to reform them, but they treat him lightly.
ألم يروا كم أهلكنا قبلهم من القرون أنهم إليهم لا يرجعون.
Have they not seen how many generations we have ruined before them, and that those generations never come back to them after their ruination?
وإن كل لما جميع لدينا محضرون.
Indeed, they, one and all, shall most certainly be brought before us.
وآية لهم الأرض الميتة أحييناها وأخرجنا منها حبا فمنه يأكلون.
The dead earth which we bring to life, and from which we bring forth a large variety of grains, of which they eat, is an important sign for them.
وجعلنا فيها جنات من نخيل وأعناب وفجرنا فيها من العيون.
And we have made to grow thereon the earth, gardens of date palms and vine, and we have caused springs to gush forth from it.
ليأكلوا من ثمره وما عملته أيديهم أفلا يشكرون.
So that they may enjoy its fruit and enjoy that which their hands have worked for. Will they then render us no thanks and follow our guidance?
سبحان الذي خلق الأزواج كلها مما تنبت الأرض ومن أنفسهم ومما لا يعلمون.
Glory be to him who has created pairs of all type, of the thing that the earth grows, and of their own species, and of the things yet unknown to them.
وآية لهم الليل نسلخ منه النهار فإذا هم مظلمون.
The night from which we strip off the last vestige of the day, so that afterwards they are left in pitch darkness, is a great sign for them.
والشمس تجري لمستقر لها ذلك تقدير العزيز العليم.
And the sun is moving on its ordained course towards the goal determined for it. That is the determining of the Almighty, the possessor of perfect knowledge.
والقمر قدرناه منازل حتى عاد كالعرجون القديم.
And think over the phases of the moon. We have determined its various mansions, so that after traversing these mansions, it returns to the stage when it appears like an old dry twig of a palm tree.
لا الشمس ينبغي لها أن تدرك القمر ولا الليل سابق النهار وكل في فلك يسبحون.
It is not given to the sun to attain to the purpose ordained for the moon, nor is it given to the night to outstrip the day. All of these luminaries go on floating smoothly in an orbit of their own.
وآية لهم أنا حملنا ذريتهم في الفلك المشحون.
And it is a sign for these people that we carry their children in the fully laden ships.
وخلقنا لهم من مثله ما يركبون.
And we will make for them other means of transport, such things as they will board.
وإن نشأ نغرقهم فلا صريخ لهم ولا هم ينقذون.
If we so willed, we would drown them. Then they would have no one to succor them, nor would they be rescued.
إلا رحمة منا ومتاعا إلى حين.
It is only through mercy from us that we save them, and let them have an enjoyment of worldly gains for a while.
وإذا قيل لهم اتقوا ما بين أيديكم وما خلفكم لعلكم ترحمون.
And when it is said to them, guard yourself against that punishment which is impending before you, and that which is behind you, and may befall you as a consequence of your evil past, so that you may be shown mercy, they turn away.
وما تأتيهم من آية من آيات ربهم إلا كانوا عنها معرضين.
There never comes to them a message from the messages of their Lord, but they always turn away from it.
وإذا قيل لهم أنفقوا مما رزقكم الله قال الذين كفروا للذين آمنوا أنطعم من لو يشاء الله أطعمه إن أنتم إلا في ضلال مبين.
And when it is said to them, spend out of that which Allah has provided for you, those who disbelieve say to those who believe, shall we feed those whom, if Allah so will, He could feed? you are only steeped in obvious error.
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين.
They also say, tell us if indeed you are truthful, when this warning about punishment shall come to pass.
ما ينظرون إلا صيحة واحدة تأخذهم وهم يخصمون.
They are thus only waiting for one sudden onslaught of calamity, which will overtake them while they are yet disputing about it among themselves.
فلا يستطيعون توصية ولا إلى أهلهم يرجعون.
And so sudden will be their end, that they will not be able to leave instructions about their affairs, nor to their own people will they return.
ونفخ في الصور فإذا هم من الأجداث إلى ربهم ينسلون.
And the trumpet shall be blown, and behold, rising from their graves they will hasten on to their Lord.
قالوا يا ويلنا من بعثنا من مرقدنا هذا ما وعد الرحمن وصدق المرسلون.
They will say to one another, "Oh, woe be on us! Who has aroused us from our sleeping place?" This is the same thing as the most gracious God had promised, and the messengers of God did indeed speak the truth, will be the reply they receive.
إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم جميع لدينا محضرون.
It will only be a single blast, and behold, they shall all be brought before us.
فاليوم لا تظلم نفس شيئا ولا تجزون إلا ما كنتم تعملون.
So on this day no injustice whatsoever shall be done to any soul. You shall reap the fruit of your deeds.
إن أصحاب الجنة اليوم في شغل فاكهون.
On this day, the owners of paradise will be occupied in their pursuits, rejoicing.
هم وأزواجهم في ظلال على الأرائك متكئون.
They and their companions will be in pleasant shades, reclining on raised couches.
لهم فيها فاكهة ولهم ما يدعون.
Therein they shall have fruits, and they will have all that they ask for.
سلام قولا من رب رحيم.
Peace be upon you shall be the word of greeting to them from the ever merciful Lord.
وامتازوا اليوم أيها المجرمون.
And it will be said to the sinners, O guilty ones, remain apart as distinguished from the righteous this day.
ألم أعهد إليكم يا بني آدم ألا تعبدوا الشيطان إنه لكم عدو مبين.
O children of Adam, did I not enjoin on you never to worship Satan? For he is to you an enemy, severing your ties with me.
وأن اعبدوني هذا صراط مستقيم.
And did I not charge you to worship me? For this is the straight and right path.
وَلَقَدْ أَضَلَّ مِنكُمْ جِبِلًّا كَثِيرًا أَفَلَمْ تَكُونُوا تَعْقِلُونَ.
Yet he, Satan, has certainly led astray a number of people from among you. Why do you not even then make use of your understanding so as to rectify your error?
هذه جهنم التي كنتم توعدون.
This is the Gehenna you were warned against.
اصلوها اليوم بما كنتم تكفرون.
Enter it this day because of your disbelief.
اليوم نختم على أفواههم وتكلمنا أيديهم وتشهد أرجلهم بما كانوا يكسبون.
On that day, we shall seal the mouths of these disbelievers. Their hands will speak to us about the actions they wrought, and their feet shall bear witness to all their sinful doings.
ولو نشاء لطمسنا على أعينهم فاستبقوا الصراط فأنى يبصرون.
If we had so willed, we could certainly have deprived these disbelievers of their eyesight, so that they would have gone ahead on their path unseeing. But how should they find the path now in this state of their blindness?
ولو نشاء لمسخناهم على مكانتهم فما استطاعوا مضيا ولا يرجعون.
If we had so willed, we could have certainly destroyed them where they were, so that they would not be able to move forward nor turn back.
وَمَن نُّعَمِّرْهُ نُنَكِّسْهُ فِي الْخَلْقِ أَفَلَا يَعْقِلُونَ.
We reverse the mechanism of the person to whom we grant extraordinary long life by making the state of his constitution weak. Do they not even then make use of their understanding?
وَمَا عَلَّمْنَاهُ الشِّعْرَ وَمَا يَنبَغِي لَهُ إِنْ هُوَ إِلَّا ذِكْرٌ وَقُرْآنٌ مُبِينٌ.
We have not taught him, the Prophet Muhammad, the art of composing verses, nor does it become him to be a poet. This Quran is but a means to attain to eminence, a book that is widely read and tells the right from the wrong.
لِيُنذِرَ مَن كَانَ حَيًّا وَيَحِقَّ الْقَوْلُ عَلَى الْكَافِرِينَ.
It has been revealed so that he, the Prophet, may warn those who are still somewhat spiritually alive and so capable of receiving and responding to the call of truth, and that the verdict of condemnation be justified against the disbelievers.
أَوَلَمْ يَرَوْا أَنَّا خَلَقْنَا لَهُم مِّمَّا عَمِلَتْ أَيْدِينَا أَنْعَامًا فَهُمْ لَهَا مَالِكُونَ.
Do they not see that among the things that we have made with our power are the cattle which we have created for them, and of which they are masters now?
وَذَلَّلْنَاهَا لَهُمْ فَمِنْهَا رَكُوبُهُمْ وَمِنْهَا يَأْكُلُونَ.
And we have subdued these cattle. for their use and benefit, so that some of them serve as their riding beast, and through others they obtain their food.
وَلَهُمْ فِيهَا مَنَافِعُ وَمَشَارِبُ أَفَلَا يَشْكُرُونَ.
They have many other uses in them. They provide them with the drinks of various kinds. Will they still give us no thanks?
وَاتَّخَذُوا مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ آلِهَةً لَعَلَّهُمْ يُنصَرُونَ.
In spite of all this, they worship other gods apart from Allah falsely, that they may find some help through them.
لا يستطيعون نصرهم وهم لهم جند محضرون.
These false gods are not capable of helping them. On the contrary, these gods will turn out for them to be a host of rebels brought before the Almighty to receive their due punishment.
فلا يحزنك قولهم إنا نعلم ما يسرون وما يعلنون.
And do not let their words cause you grief. Verily, we know what they conceal and what they profess, and they will be paid back in their own coins.
أَوَلَمْ يَرَ الْإِنسَانُ أَنَّا خَلَقْنَاهُ مِن نُّطْفَةٍ فَإِذَا هُوَ خَصِيمٌ مُّبِينٌ.
Has not a human being seen how we have created him out of a very insignificant sperm drop? Yet behold, he is an open adversary to us.
وَضَرَبَ لَنَا مَثَلًا وَنَسِيَ خَلْقَهُ قَالَ مَن يُحْيِي الْعِظَامَ وَهِيَ رَمِيمٌ.
And he coins strange things about us and forgets his own creation. He says, who will quicken the dead bones to life when they are decayed?
قُلْ يُحْيِيهَا الَّذِي أَنشَأَهَا أَوَّلَ مَرَّةٍ وَهُوَ بِكُلِّ خَلْقٍ عَلِيمٌ.
Say, he who evolved them the first time will again raise them to life. He is fully conversant with all types and methods of creation.
الذي جعل لكم من الشجر الأخضر نارا فإذا أنتم منه توقدون.
It is he who produces fire for you out of the green tree, that you kindle another fire from it. Even so, new faith is kindled when the spiritually weak come in contact with the divine reformer.
أَوَلَيْسَ الَّذِي خَلَقَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ بِقَادِرٍ عَلَىٰ أَن يَخْلُقَ مِثْلَهُم بَلَىٰ وَهُوَ الْخَلَّاقُ الْعَلِيمُ.
Has he who has created the heavens and the earth not the power of creating other people like them? Why not? He is the supreme creator and possessor of all knowledge.
إِنَّمَا أَمْرُهُ إِذَا أَرَادَ شَيْئًا أَن يَقُولَ لَهُ كُن فَيَكُونُ.
Verily, his command, when he intends to evolve a thing, is only that he says to it, be, and it comes into being at proper time.
فَسُبْحَانَ الَّذِي بِيَدِهِ مَلَكُوتُ كُلِّ شَيْءٍ وَإِلَيْهِ تُرْجَعُونَ.
Therefore, glory be to him in whose hand lies the perfect control of everything, and towards whom you shall be made to return.